Okay, so hopefully you're getting pretty good at graphing a line in slope-intercept form. But obviously the next step is graphing a line in standard form, because it's a little bit more challenging. Actually, the only real challenging part of it is you have to make it look like slope-intercept form. There's another way to do it, but we're going to hold off on that for now, because I want to make sure we know how to do this first. So, sketch the graph of each line. This is standard form. Remember, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. And you can identify the y-intercept and the slope very simply. But standard form is different. So there's two ways to see this. Standard form is ax plus by equals c. Don't worry about the a and the b. It's just different numbers. But it's something x plus something y equals some number. Something x plus or minus something y equals some number. We need to change this to look like slope-intercept form. And we need to get good at this overall, because there's going to be plenty of questions that ask this on the milestones. So the first thing I need to do, the thing I always have to do first is I've got to get whatever this term is on the left-hand side. I need to move it to the other side. I like to say we have to get rid of it, but it's pretty simple anyway, either way. So here I'm going to subtract 4x on both sides. Okay. Now I'm going to rewrite what's left. Negative 5y is going to equal negative 4x plus 5. Okay. Next step is you have to get rid of or divide whatever the number is next to y, because we need to get y by itself. So here I'm going to divide by negative 5 everywhere. So you're making 3 fractions. All right. Now I'm left with y equals negative divided by negative is a positive, so the slope becomes 4 over 5x. And this is a plus 5 divided by negative 5, just gives me a negative 1. Now I know exactly what the slope is and exactly what the y-intercept is, so I can plot this line. Y-intercept is negative 1, so I'm going to go to the y-axis and plot negative 1. The slope is 4 over 5, so up 4 units, right 5 units. Up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and to the right 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my line. Okay? You never would have known it by doing this. All right? Just looking at it, you would have never known how to graph this line. So there we go. Here, this is probably a poor example. It's not standard form, it's not slope-intercept, it's just a line that's x equals. Please remember, always remember, any line that says x equals some number is vertical up and down. Okay? So this is very simple to graph. Find the x-axis and find negative 3 on that axis. Make a point. All x lines are up and down, which means that the slope is undefined and there is no y-intercept. It's the only time where there never will be a y-intercept. All right? So let's go with 2 more. People are coming. I wonder if they'll join us. I'm not stopping the video. All right, let's go. Here, actually, go ahead and try these 2 on your own. Change this to slope-intercept form, change this to slope-intercept form, and see what you got. You can pause me and we see what we got here. Okay, pause me, work them up. Hopefully you've paused, I'm coming back. Answers. Okay. So the answers are the lines, not the slope-intercept form. So let's just work this one out. That one you're going to have to fend for yourself. 9x minus 2y equals 8. Subtract the 9x on both sides. And then you're left with negative 2y equals negative 9x plus 8. Divide by negative 2 everywhere. And I'm left with y equals 9 over 2x minus 4. So here's the minus 4 for the y-intercept. And then I went up 9 to the right 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2. There we go. All right. Hopefully you've got it. Do the fever. Don't get a fever, do the fever. Work them out. See ya.